There was not a time that I did not feel so attuned to your body, and your muscles become like your friends. It's like they're all like working with you, trying to help you finish the set. You really have to pay attention to how your muscles are feeling, because if you don't, you're just not gonna be able to endure as long. About a scoop of protein, just a little bit of just want to mix it well. All right. Yes. You can see it's fully cooked. It's a lot of food. I like to create the vibe. I'm all about the vibe. I want to feel good. I want to enjoy my food, so I'm trying to, you know, make it pleasant as possible. And when you do that, you don't need to eat that much, because we also enjoy what we see, right? Not only what we eat, but what we see. And that's psychological. When you look at your food and it looks yummy, like mine right now, I hope you make it. It's pretty easy, low in carbs, has about 45 grams of protein. That's pretty awesome, right? All right, so I'm going to taste it. Okay. Thank you for this. Amen. I need to, I wish I could have it a little higher. There you go.